Hi, and welcome to another episode of Kari's Kitchen. This week we're going to be baking pavlova. Thank you, Jennifer and Marcella, for suggesting that I make that. Of course, we can't have our show without our handy-dandy sidekick, Rainbow Alpaca, which one of our fans has named Sunshine. Thank you, Matt. First things first, we need our apron. And now we're ready to bake. The recipe calls for 4 egg whites, so I'm going to put them in this bowl right here, and then we're going to get to mixing. Hooray! You'll notice that our slide out's actually out this time. We had it fixed when we were in Yellowstone, and now I have a giant house. We're going to go ahead and mix our egg whites until there is kind of a soft peak, so it's about 5 minutes. So we're going to cut this completely out. All right, we got some soft peaks, so we're going to add the half a cup of sugar. And then beat it a little bit more, because we like to beat it. Just beat it. So close to a stiff peak, people. We're so close. Now we're going to add the vanilla. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. We're going to combine that with 1 teaspoon of lemon. And then we are going to fold it into our batter. We're going to use our handy dandy spatula, thank you Megan Eddy, I'm kind of a big dill, and to do all of our mixing. Yay. Mixy, 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 mixy. Won't you come mixing with me? Tastes pretty good. Mix it! So now that we have everything in the bowl, we're gonna make a little 9-inch circle. But it's gonna be a little lopsided because I don't have a lot of space in my RV. So this baking sheet is not exactly 9 by 9. 9 by 9. Here we go. Yay! That looks pretty good. Looks like giant marshmallow tastiness. Giant marshmallow tastiness. Giant marshmallow of tastiness. Because it looks like a giant marshmallow of tastiness. Did I mention that? Oh, so pretty. Never made this before, except for my failed attempt last week, which is why it's been so long since I had a show. Ovally goodness. Looks pretty good. Into the oven. Hello there, and welcome back to Kari's Kitchen. Now we have to make some whipped cream. And I've already pre-sliced these strawberries that we're going to put on top of the pavlova as soon as it's done, which is in approximately 2 minutes. Who's excited? I am! Hi, and welcome back. We're going to start making our whipping cream now. The refrigerator in our RV apparently runs a little cold, so my heavy whipping cream is kind of already turned into whipping cream. So this will be fun. Need 1.25 cups of this. It came out a little fast. No one was planning for that. 3 tablespoons of sugar into the whipping cream. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we whip it like crazy. Just like last time. Woohoo! Go ahead, mixer, go! Go ahead, mixer, go! Woo! There it is, people. Whipped cream. From scratch! And here we have the finished product. It's a little cracked, as you can see, because I wanted to tap on it to make sure it was ready, which don't do, for future reference. So we're going to put the whipped cream on, and then we're going to put our fresh strawberries, and then we're going to try it, because that's what it's all about. You'll just spread it around, slice strawberries on. Not as fancy as Martha Stewart, but you know, I live in an RV, and she doesn't. This is where I wish I had friends that live closer, because we would definitely be sharing this with you if you lived anywhere near Maine right now. I've cut a piece here. Let's take a look. It's time for the taste test. It's pretty melt in your mouth good.
Oh, I am.
I'm pretty into it. Thank you, Jennifer and Marcella, for suggesting this. Please comment below and let me know what I should make next. Rainbow Alpaca approves of the Pavlova. Until next week, bye!